Hi everybody and welcome to the Lendy Lifestyle series. I'm here to share with you my top tips on growing vegetables at home, in the garden or on a balcony. Now the first thing you need is as much sunlight as you can give your plants. Between 6 to 8 hours is perfect. If you don't get that, it's totally fine. You just need to adapt your planting. Go for things like coriander and parsley. The more sun though, the bigger your harvest is going to be. Take a look at this broccoli compared to something that gets a bit more shade in the background. The next thing is really good soil, and this applies to whether you're growing in a pot or in the ground. If you're growing in the ground, raise it up with a sleeper. That means your soil is going to be free draining. If you're growing in pots, they do the job for you. They're perfect. These recycled plastic pots are working well with this purple cabbage. You then need to remember your soil is like your plant's diet, so it needs to be as good as it possibly can be. And to get that, you need to add compost. I put a layer of about 100 ml over the top and really dig that through before I plant. You can also add some fertilizer at that point. You also need to have the right plants at the right time. So right now we're into winter vegetables like your broccolis, your cauliflowers, your cabbages. But as the warmer weather comes in, you want to be trying things like tomatoes and zucchinis. Once you've got your plants in, you need to water them every single day. It is not a chore, it becomes an absolute joy. And if you want to feed them, do it with a liquid fertilizer once a week, but stick to something that's organic because you definitely are what you eat. I then finish my veggie patch off with some mulch. Now I use an organic mulch that breaks down to help feed, but it also helps to lock in the moisture and keep the weeds away. Plants don't like competition from weeds, so really keep an eye on those as well. And just keep an eye on if you've got any pests or disease problems as well. A great way to combat pests and disease is by planting some flowers as well. We've got marigolds, calendulas and violets, and they all bring in beneficial insects. The best thing though about growing your own vegetables is you get lovely, healthy harvest on your plate and you can save money. Another great way to save money is on your home loan. Head to lendy.com.au and you can compare interest rates within just 30 seconds. So head to lendy.com.au.